Oh my God. Impressive, right? You are about to witness the terrifying power of giant machines that go beyond all limits. What a metal beast. The scene of dismantling the large bus is truly impressive, with heavy machines working with precision and power. Each part of the bus is carefully separated, creating a chaotic yet powerful display of strength and technique. This is a heavy equipment transport ship used for coal mining, a massive LCT vessel. With its sturdy hull, it moves across the water, carrying bulky machinery, ready to disembark onto the shore to support mining operations in harsh conditions. If you think this machine is amazing, don't forget to leave a like. A single mistake could bring everything to a halt instantly. The tension is unbearable. The asphalt truck flips into a ditch, creating a challenging situation. 2 boom cranes are called in to recover the truck, bringing hope to the critical situation. What do you think of these machines? They're lifting and transporting LNG loads at 222 kilometers Sarab Road, weighing up to 97,000 pounds. These massive machines take on the challenging task of transporting heavy cargo across rough terrain with precision and power. What do you think of this situation? The T-170 Bulldozer is stuck in the mud, with 2 off-road vehicles trying to assist. All eyes are focused on the spinning wheels, the powerful torque almost palpable with every movement of the machine.
Это жесть просто.
The scene is truly spectacular as the powerful Cat D7G climbs the sheer slope. The massive tracks push forward step by step, crushing the earth and rocks beneath the engine's immense power. With each forceful dig, the machine moves like a beast, battling the harsh terrain. Amid the haze of dust, the Kenworth T800 Las Bambas, a street monster, is conquering the steep, rugged terrain. Its power allows each wheel to firmly climb the difficult slopes as the truck slowly transports its challenging cargo. It's hard to believe that these trucks can carry such a large load of wood on rough terrain. The Mercedes Actros 500 horsepower 53 cubic meters, with its powerful 500 horsepower engine, delivers outstanding performance and can carry up to 53 cubic meters of wood, operating steadily and powerfully in all conditions. Impressive indeed. Two giant excavators use their powerful mechanical arms to lift the stuck dump truck. With perfect coordination, they slowly pull the truck up, each movement precise and strong, turning a difficult situation into a spectacular rescue operation. The scene is full of tension as the excavator, lacking a ramp, must use a different method to climb onto the truck. It uses its powerful arm to brace against the ground, slowly lifting the wheels, each movement calculated and precise, creating an impressive challenge. Wow. As the powerful case machine transports the truck to the recycling press, each heavy track moves the truck into position. The press starts operating, crushing the truck with the screeching sound of metal, transforming it into a pile of scrap. Sit back and enjoy this incredible moment. The Belarus 1221 tractor is struggling to pull the Ural truck through the swamp. The tires grip tightly onto the mud, but it's uncertain whether they can hold on. The tension builds with every second as both machines battle the harsh terrain. The LRPR-01G is a rock crusher equipped with a powerful 500 horsepower motor and weighs approximately 66,139 pounds. With its special design, the machine is capable of handling and crushing hard rocks effectively, optimizing work in the construction and mining industries.
Pecah lato-lato. Ini bisa menyebabkan selain pecahnya material tanah juga bisa menyebabkan pecahnya lato-lato.
The scene is truly magnificent as the massive Dusin machine, with its powerful 700 horsepower engine, digs into the quarry. The giant shovels swing forcefully, lifting massive chunks of rock and tossing them aside with ease. The heavy excavator, with a 1,000 horsepower engine and a weight of 88,185 pounds, was faced with a giant boulder blocking its path. Despite the extremely dangerous situation, with its superior strength, it still stubbornly stuck to the road and pulled the obstacle. We're witnessing a spectacular performance by the Liebherr 954 as it demolishes the factory. The massive mechanical arm swings powerfully, crushing each wall, with concrete shattering under its immense strength. Don't hesitate to leave a like if you love this machine. Volvo logging 200 horsepower, 13.23 short tons, is a powerful assistant for the logging industry in Mayoko, Congo. With a specialized design, the vehicle helps increase productivity and reduce operating costs. The VTN CK-21 demolition cutter is equipped with a powerful engine with a capacity of up to 500 horsepower and a weight of about 44,093 pounds. This equipment is specialized in cutting and destroying hard materials in demolition projects, providing high efficiency and material handling capacity. Ideal for any industrial challenge, the truck optimizes heavy-duty material handling performance in mines. The Camion Minero Komatsu 980E is a powerful mining truck with a 2,700 horsepower engine and a weight of 881,848 pounds. Snow removal crews with Fendt 516 Vario, snow blowers, 2 Volvos, and a Mercedes-Benz Arocs are tackling the winter. With a 160 horsepower engine and a weight of 17,637 pounds, the Fendt 516 Vario can handle any type of snow with ease. The Lorem SBC 2402 is a track treatment machine with a powerful 750 horsepower engine and a weight capacity of up to 220,462 pounds. Designed for cleaning and maintaining rails, the machine helps increase work efficiency, ensuring safety and stability for the rail system. The Xaxis 280LC excavator with its superior power is destroying the house in just a few seconds. These devices ensure efficient demolition, handle large constructions quickly and safely, optimizing the demolition process. Are you curious to know how the Bulldozer is lowered safely from the truck without a ramp? Watch until the end of the video to witness the true power and engineering of this heavy machine. Amazing! The D7E is powerful, with a 320 horsepower engine and a weight of approximately 48,514 pounds. On the job of lifting the heavier D7G, riding it after it had tipped over. The power and precise control of the D7E allows it to handle difficult situations with efficiency.